Fish on, bro.
Fish on, bro.
Fish on, bro.
Put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit.
Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another episode of Fish on Bros. We're here at this creek. Mario's down there. He already caught 2 of them. Forgot to do the intro. Well, he just caught another one. Let's see if he could bring it in. I got him. It's a little baby. Well, stick around. Thanks for watching Fishing Birds. First catch. Not a keeper.
Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. First cast, first fish. Sorry, my GoPro wasn't on. My brother's over there in that corner getting ready. Say hello, brother. Hello. Bye, baby.
This is my first cast with my new rod and my new lure. Reel. Oh, that one sucked. We're going for a white bass today. That one is some more. That's a little better. I got a gulp on it.
Maybe like the 5th cast. I think.
Well, Mario caught a fishy. Oh, that's a keeper. Is that something? Yeah. Another keeper. A baby. So far nothing on my new freaking rod. Trying to break it in.
That's a baby.
Mario's and a fish. In a while, I still haven't caught nothing. He got a nice one. A fish. He just threw it out there. I'm over here on this side now trying to steal his fish, but
No, hombre, nomás es el...
That's a nice size one. See the man? Nice size.
No lavó bien la ropa. No lavó bien la ropa.
Another man for the mirror, he just killing them boys. And another fishy, I still haven't gotten nothing. We're just killing them. They don't like me.
Mira, ese no va en esa rista, va en la blanca, la paloma. Vamos así.
Qué grosero. Well, there you have it, folks. Another episode of Fish on Bros. Mario caught how many were they?
10, 9.
White bass. I got skunk today.
That's alright, it happens.
Well, thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, share.
Peace.
Fish on Bros.